Ever wondered why some people are able to age more actively than others? What is their secret? Actually, there are no secrets. The answer lies in building a healthy lifestyle and a positive mindset. Here's how you can do it. The journey starts by creating a personal routine for yourself in order to nurture good practices. First, have a plan and keep it realistic. Next, develop habits. Start small and aim to introduce small changes in your life slowly. Do these things daily. Consistency is the key. Habits take time. Commit to 30 days and give yourself enough time to make habits stick. Now use these steps to create a routine for healthy and active lifestyle. Start by keeping fit and staying in shape. For example, taking morning or evening walks around your neighborhood daily. Paying attention to your diet is also very important because, as the saying goes, you are what you eat. If you have been eating healthily, kept salt and sugar content to a minimum, then good job. Let's keep that going. However, if you have been neglecting your diet, now is the time to pay attention to what you put into your body. Aim to incorporate 2 servings of fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. Don't forget to go for regular health checks and take your medications as prescribed. Next, how about building a more positive mindset? Learn to think positively and set aside time for things you enjoy doing, such as gardening. The mind is a muscle. It needs to work out. You can learn something new, pick up a new language, discover a new hobby. Or you can engage your community. Volunteer, make new friends, and enjoy new experiences. There is a wealth of experience in your hands, and the community is in great need of this. Keep engaged with what is going on in the world. There is always something new to be updated on and to learn about. Within your community are many opportunities to expand your social circles and build good interpersonal relationships. You can also improve communication skills and collaborate in groups with like-minded individuals or friends who share the same hobbies. Finances are an important point of consideration. Our financial well-being directly affects the quality of our life as we age. Planning for financial security has to start as early as possible. Retirement needs include your home, your daily expenses, your medical needs, and your travel expenses. Practice budgeting to have a sense of mindful spending to keep tab on your income and expenses, both current and future. By practicing the tips above, you will have a way of life that is sustainable, healthy, and valuable to you and the people around you. Continue your journey to further understand and benefit from aging actively with National Silver Academy. The National Silver Academy has a wide range of learning opportunities for seniors aged 50 and above. Visit www.nsa.org.sg to find out more.